Hey Wookiverse, how's everyone doing out there? So today, figure maybe we'll try a little challenge kind of thing. So everybody's got their favorite bags and their little pieces of kit, their go-tos, everything like that. As you see, there's an assortment. Everybody has all kinds of them. So I think this is just because we got so many lockdowns and every damn else thing coming out that 20 to 2021 is going to be a mess. And we're going to have all kinds of time. So let's see what you got, what your favorite kits are to put together, how you like to carry them. Do you like to carry a small belt pouch like this, smaller assorted pouches? Do you go to a big full-blown haversack, backpack, sling bags? Just come up with what you got, what your favorite things are. Small, big, doesn't matter. Let's see what you got. And I've got other videos out showing what I've got in all these bags, so I'm not going to take them apart here, but it's a chance for you to show off your new stuff, old stuff, what technology you've swapped out for. You get something new that you really want to show off with. Are you replacing it with something else? Do you have old stuff that you're replacing? Let's see what you got. Let's have fun with this. Anyway, it's the Wookie signing off. Be safe out there. All right.
All right.